Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make the shake and slanted blur effect on CapCut. So you can add this effects to as a transitions to your videos on CapCut. So first, what you need to do is import your videos and then just go to video effects, basic, and then select shake. Okay, this one, click on the check icon and then set the durations just a short like this and then put it in between the video. Okay, I'm going to make it short again. Okay, oops, it'll go like that. And then go back and add another effect. So this time add the camera shake effect twice to the video. Okay, click on the check icon and then set the durations of the effect the same with the first effect. Like this, and then copy the effects and then place it in at the bottom like this, and then lastly add the slanted blur effect. So this effect can be found also under the basic category. So this one's right here, and then click on a check icon and put it at the bottom of the last effect that you added. Okay, I'm going to make it short like the previous effects, and here is the final result. Okay, it's slightly lagging. I'm going to go back first, then I'm going to reopen the CapCut and show you the final result. Okay, this one. Then I'm going to show you the result for the blur, the shake and slanted blur effect. So it'll go like that. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.